Today we will learn video duration timers. I will double click the rectangle tool. Increase the stroke. I will close the field. Make another copy of the layer. I will make the opacity of the bottom layer 25%. Then the trim path will come from the first layer. Animate the trim path. I will set the end to 0 and after a while I will make it 100. Then we will provide and launch any video footage here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.